It's Friday, fool, and you need this tool. Welcome back to another glorious episode of It's Friday, fool, you need this tool. My name is Kyle Voss, and on Fridays, I bring you a tool that I've used here in this shop or that I've featured on this channel. All right, so here's the deal. Most of the time, all the time, lately, all the time, my objective is to bring you guys tools that I feel like are very useful to you, right? I don't want to bring you something that I don't feel like you can use. And today's tool goes right in line with that. It's something that most wouldn't consider a tool per se, but I feel like it could make you much more productive in the shop. It helps me with that, especially in the wintertime, in my particular instance. So I felt like I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't bring you this tool. And that is a switch that you can that you can control with your phone from anywhere in the world. So this little unit right here, this is from TP-Link, and basically all it is a wall switch that connects to your Wi-Fi, and then with an app you can turn it on or off from anywhere in the world. Now I know what you're saying, Mr. Voss, how does that help me? How does that help me be more productive? Well, in my circumstance, in the wintertime, sometimes I dread getting into the shop to go do some work, right? Because it's so cold out here. I've got a jet heater, but sometimes it takes a long time to warm up, 20, 30 minutes. I could walk down to the shop, turn it on, and then walk back up to the house or whatnot. But it's just a little inconvenient sometimes. So that's what this fixes. At least for me, that's what it fixes. I basically plug my jet heater into this, and then, you know, I'm sitting down at dinner time with the family. I can kick on the heat down here, and then 20, 30 minutes later when I'm ready to come work, it's nice and warm. You could use this really for anything though. It wouldn't have to be for a jet heater, it just happens to be what I use it for. The thing that's rad about these is it's very simple to set up. You just connect it to your Wi-Fi. I guess that is the catch though, is you have to have some kind of Wi-Fi. Either Wi-Fi from your house or Wi-Fi in your shop. I happen to have Wi-Fi here in the shop that I steal from the house. If you haven't seen that video, yeah, I'll drop you a little to that video where I steal the Wi-Fi from the house and repeat it down here. But yeah, you have to have Wi-Fi, but if you got that, you're good to go. You plug something into this, you want to click it on and off. I guess you could use it for lights. You could really use it for anything. You can kick it on and off with an app on your phone. It works really, really fast. So the rad thing about this is it works pretty fast. So I've got it hooked up to my jet heater. That fast. And the awesome thing is these things don't cost very much. So you can do this relatively cheap. TP-Link, the app is called Kasa, K-A-S-A, I think is what it's called. Anyway, if you're interested in something like this, or you wanna go check it out, I'll drop you some links in the description. You can go take a look for yourself. If you feel like you could use this somewhere in your shop, around your house, make life a little more convenient, there you go. You can thank me later. The 120 volt phone internet controlled power switch thing. As always, thank you for joining me. I'll see you guys some more this week. It's Friday, fool.